this Squishmallows original Disney. It's not just a Squishmallow and its Disney theme, they're also holding a food which represents their scent. Let me smell through the packaging and guess. I smelled it right now and I think it's Olaf or this pink one because it smells more like a strawberry or an icy. So let's get unboxing. This is so nice, by the way, and I got this. I am in a different country right now. I am in the United States and I just traveled here, and also I've got like this from the United States. This is so cool. Let's unbox it. So guys, I'm still in the United States, obviously, and then I found this. Wow, it's a splat ball. Let's open it. Looks like you can toss it. Watch it splat. And also you can squish it. Let's open it. Let's open it. I'm ready. I've never felt these things before. Oh wow, it's super duper sticky. And look at him. He's so squishy and sticky. Unique. And so bouncy. He's so squishy, sticky, and bouncy, and stretchy. And look at its legs. It's so wiggly. And so jiggly. Let's see how it splats. Him. He smells just like this ice cream. His name is Olaf. Let's see if I got his name right. So guys, this is how the splat ball works. I finally learned it. It splats on the walls and it looks so cool. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe my video.